Hello everyone, welcome to One Maker. I am Ranjan Kumar. So finally BSNL Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited, that exam SATs for senior executive trainee exam post, they have released admit card for like exam is going on 5th July. So you can check your admit card. For that you need to check your register mobile number. In that one message came for this admit card. You need to go that link, this link. I will share this link, or you can type this link in your browser also, and you need to go to click here in this registration link. You need to click here. After that you will get this kind of page. You need to click here to download admit card. After that you will get one portal like that. Here you need to put your registration number and your password. After that you can log in, and after that you can get your admit card. So there they have mentioned the timing and location, everything they have mentioned. Instruction part also they have mentioned, please go through that also. And you can take the printout of that. Okay, so everything is given in your admit card. So finally now this is scheduled on 5th July. So on 5th July exam is there for BSNL SAT exam. Okay, and everything is available in the app. So just complete all the things whatever I provided in the app, and in the YouTube also classes are there. Just complete that videos also before you going to exam. Okay, okay then, thank you, best of luck for your exam.